National Income Miscellaneous Problems, Problem 2. This is the second problem in this series. Links to previous problems are given in the description. Calculate national income by income method and expenditure method on the basis of the following information. Compensation of employees 13,300 crores. Indirect taxes 3,800 crores. Government final consumption expenditure 3,800 crores. Gross domestic fixed capital formation 6,300 crores. Mixed income of self-employed 16,100 crores. Operating surplus 5,000 crores. Net addition to stock 1,000 crores. Exports of goods and services 1,700 crores. Imports of goods and services 1,700 crores. Private final consumption expenditure 29,000 crores. Net factor income from abroad 300 crores. Subsidies 300 crores. Consumption of fixed capital 2,200 crores. You are to calculate national income using income method and expenditure method. You know very well that income method is preferable over any other methods because of its simplicity and less steps involved in the calculation. Okay, you shall begin with income method. The two formulas used in this method are NDP at factor cost equal to CE plus OS plus MI and NNP at factor cost equal to NDP at factor cost plus NFIA. You need the values of CE, OS, MI and NFIA. Go through the problem whether these values are available. Yes, they are very much given directly. CE compensation of employees 13,300 crores. OS operating surplus 5,000 crores. MI mixed income of self-employed 16,100 crores. And NFIA net factor income from abroad 300 crores. So, straight away substitute the values and finish the calculations. NDP at factor cost equal to CE plus OS plus MI. 13,300 plus 5,000 plus 16,100, 34,400 crores. NNP at factor cost equal to NDP at factor cost plus NFIA. 34,400 plus 300, 34,700 crores. National income 34,700 crores. Next, pass on to the expenditure method. First, examine the item relating to investment or gross domestic capital formation. This piece of information helps you to decide which formula to be used at the outset. Item found in the problem is gross domestic fixed capital formation. Then search for the item net change in stock. Yes, it is there. Net addition to stock. Since gross domestic fixed capital formation plus net addition to stock is equal to investment, the formula you have to use is GDP at market price equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. The other formulas are NDP at market price equal to GDP at market price minus depreciation. NDP at factor cost equal to NDP at market price minus net indirect tax and NNP at factor cost equal to NDP at factor cost plus NFIA. So, the values you need are C, I, G, X minus M, depreciation, NIT and NFIA. C. Private final consumption expenditure 29,000 crores. G. Government final consumption expenditure 3,800 crores. Depreciation. Consumption of fixed capital 2,200 crores. NFIA 300 crores are given directly. I, X minus M and NIT are not given directly. You have to calculate I equal to gross domestic fixed capital formation plus net addition to stock. 6,300 plus 1,000 equal to 7,300 crores. X minus M equal to exports of goods and services minus import of goods and services. 1,700 minus 1,700 0. NIT equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies. 3,800 minus 300, 3,500. After finishing the preliminary calculations, you shall go ahead with your estimation of national income. GDP at market price equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. 29,000 plus 7,300 plus 3,800 plus 0, 40,100 crores. NDP at market price equal to GDP at market price minus consumption of fixed capital. 40,100 minus 2,200, 37,900 crores. NDP at factor cost equal to NDP at market price minus NIT. 37,900 minus 3,500, 34,400 crores. Compare this value with the value you have already arrived in income method. Both are equal. So far, calculations are correct. Proceed to find national income. NNP at factor cost equal to NDP at factor cost plus NFIA. 34,400 plus 300, 34,700 crores. National income 34,700 crores. Our discussion on problem 2 ends here. We shall meet in problem 3.